Hey everyone, I'm Joanne Smith and welcome to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making bread and butter pickles. The first step to making these pickles is to dice up 2 pounds of cucumbers, a half a yellow onion, and 2 red bell peppers. And then we're going to put 3 tablespoons of kosher salt over the top. And this is going to draw out the moisture. And we're going to put a piece of plastic wrap over these and put them in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. In between that 2-hour time, you need to mix them at least a couple times. It's almost time to take our cucumbers out of the refrigerator. So we're going to get a kettle or a big saucepan and we're going to add our ingredients to our mixture. We need 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of distilled white vinegar, a pinch of ground cloves, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, and these are yellow mustard seeds, by the way, 1 teaspoon of celery seeds, 1 teaspoon of whole black peppercorns, and half a teaspoon of ground turmeric. Our cucumbers have been in the refrigerator for 2 hours, and as you can see, a lot of liquid has come out of the cucumbers. The salt has drawn it out, and now we're going to take this to the sink and put it in our colander, and we're going to rinse this very well, probably for 3 or 4 minutes. Just rinse all the salt off of it. Now it's time to take a whisk and mix up our ingredients in our kettle and turn the heat on high, and we're going to let that come to a boil. After the mixture comes to a boil, let it boil for about 2 minutes before adding the cucumbers. Now that our mixture has been boiling, we're going to add our cucumbers to our mixture. And we want to stir those up. And we want to bring that back to a boil. Except we don't want it to be a rolling boil. We just want it to start bubbling. And when it does that, then we'll turn the heat off and remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. As you can see, the little bubbles are starting to pop up here and there and around the edges. So we're going to turn the heat off and remove our kettle and let this cool completely before putting it in our jars. Be sure to have your jars washed and ready. I just have some little pint jars and just have those ready to put your pickles in. I transferred my cucumber mixture to a plastic bowl, that way it'll cool down quicker. Our pickle mixture has cooled off to room temperature, and now it's time to put them in our jars. Be sure to wipe all of the liquid out from around the top of your jar, and then put on your flat and tighten your lid. Our bread and butter pickles are finished. I had 4 pints, and you can use store-bought cucumbers. That's what I used. You don't have to have them right straight out of the garden. And you just need to stick these in the refrigerator and let them get good and cold, and you can go ahead and eat them now. So if you've liked my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you soon.